Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert GIF on Outlook Mail. To insert GIFs on Outlook Mail, you need to first open your Outlook application or you can use Outlook website. For this, you need to go through your web browser and type in www.outlook.com, then press on enter. After this, you'll be taken to Outlook. Now make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft account. After this, now here, click on new email option on the top. With this, now here you'll be taken to this section. Now here you need to first enter the recipient's mail. Click on to option and then enter the mail. After this, you can add subject for your mail. For this, click on add to a subject option and then you can enter your subject. After this, click on the download box. And then here you'll be able to find insert option on the top. Click on insert option. After this, click on pictures option. Now here you'll be able to find your documents present on your PC. Now look for the GIF. After this, click on the GIF. And then here you'll be able to see that the GIF has been inserted. Now here you can resize the GIF however you like. After you do so, now click on send option. After this, now the mail with the GIF will be sent. Now here you can click on send items present on the navigation pane and then you'll be able to find your mail. Now you can click on the mail that you have just sent. After this, here you'll be able to see that the mail with the GIF has been sent. This is how we can insert GIF on Outlook Mail. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.